Hey guys, during rest here, I've got a handful of pocket knives for you. These are key fob or keychain pocket knives. Let's see here. We got a little Imperial Ireland with the plastic scales there. And we got this Jero Inox. It's pretty beat up. Interesting looking knife there. Got this little guy. Can't really see the maker's mark on that. Try to get a close-up picture of that if I can. Not seeing it. USA. Probably Jiggid Delrin scales there. Made in Japan here. Stainless Japan. Kind of a multi-tool. Let's see what the maker's mark is. A little hard to see. I'll take a picture of it. Too bad we got cracked scales there. Still snapping though. Another one with the same kind of material like this cracked ice. I think this is a lobster knife here. You can do your fingernails in there. This is looks like a for snuff. Little pin blade there, scissors. Let's see what the maker's mark is. Inter Italy stainless. Jesus never fails. USA pocket knife with a little number there. Got the Lions logo of some sort there. Stainless. Rostfrei on this side. Nice wood scale there. This is a great one right here. Check this out. Boom. Isn't that cool? Got a let's see here. Still hard to make it out. Let's see. I'll put a picture up there. Getting blurry here. Sorry, guys. So yeah, it's like a can puncturing device there with a blade. And this little guy, Ideal USA, with the easy open. got a looks like a different sporting. Got table tennis and weightlifting and volleyball. There's the logo. I don't know much about it. So that's it. I wanted to go back to this one real quick and I wanted to look at if there's a tank stamp on here real quick. Stainless. Topps. Didn't Topps make baseball cards? Topps Unique. Win. That's a great one. This is my favorite one of the batch here. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.